What if you could build a private AI assistant trained only on your business data that doesn't hallucinate, doesn't guess, and can actually be sold to clients? In this video, I'm going to build one live using CustomGPT.ai, and I'm going to test it against real business scenarios and show you whether this is actually worth promoting, buying, or reselling. Before we actually get started, I just want to say this is not a surface level review. I'm actually going to build it live, stress test it, try to break it, and show you real monetization angles. So if you're building AI automations, running an agency, or selling digital products, this might be very interesting for you. Now, what is CustomGPT? CustomGPT lets you create a private AI assistant that's trained on your PDFs, on your website, your documentation, and your internal files. So instead of prompting ChatGPT every time, building custom agents, you'll create a dedicated AI brain that only answers from your data, and that's the key difference. So let's go and let's build it live right here. The first thing, what you want to do is click the first link in the description. You will have a 7-day free trial for CustomGPT, and this is where you can go into the new agent, and we're going to be building a new agent. Now, as you can see, you can pick your data source for your agent. This is what's so powerful. These AI agents are also compliant, like fully GDPR compliant and SOC 2 Type 2 certified, so you don't have to worry about the security aspects of it. So as you can see, we have obviously most popular, which is website. This is what I did, and it worked really well. So if you have a website and a lot of data on the website, you can go with website. You can also go with website and images, and this will give capability to your AI agent to have images as well. So if I go here to website, this is where I need to put in my own website. So for this, I'm going to be using my own website right here. But again, you can use also the sitemap, which is also great. So as you can see, it will take a little bit of time until we have the check mark, and then we simply want to go and create an agent. So I already have an agent right here that I've created from my website with 5,000 documents added, 4.8K documents read, and also million words stored. Which is really cool. So this is all from my website. You see how powerful this is. You can click Ask Me Anything here. And this is where you can actually go and where you can pretty much talk with your agent, which is really cool. So this is my customer support agent, and I can now go and I can ask him, okay, what is Fuel Your Digital about? Which is my agency right here, agency website that I put in. And this AI agent already has an icon and everything is already pre-built. I will also show you some of these things right here, but kind of my opinion around CustomGPT is that it's a really prompted in a way where you don't have to do a lot of things. That's why it's such a great platform. That as you can see, we got here, Fuel Your Digital is platform dedicated to empowering creators, business owners, and AI enthusiasts to learn, apply, and thrive with AI. Okay, so this works really well. You can obviously go and stress test it here. What you can also do is you can go to your build, and in your build, this is where you can add multiple different sources for your specific AI agent. Now, usually with ChatGPT, you cannot actually go and you cannot add as many of these sources, but here you can add like AI vision, you can add file upload, YouTube, even Google Drive, other stuff like Zapier, Notion, sitemap, and overall, if you have a big business, this is probably the best platform to use for custom GPTs, because first, it's simple, second, it's already pre-customized, and third, you can prompt it with a lot of documents and a lot of things right here. As you can see, this is my main website, and this is the entire thing that custom GPT scraped from my website. I didn't even know that it can scrape so much or so many pages from my website. You can obviously go and you can personalize it, so you can add an agent name, you can change the avatar, background, the conversation, how it looks like, the citations, intelligence as well, and some advanced things right here that we won't cover really in this review, because I just want to keep this review as legit as possible. Obviously, you have actions as well, which you can adjust. You can add document analysts, verifying responses. This is if you upgrade to premium. You can also have lead capture. You can drive conversations, web page awareness. You can build custom buttons and stuff like that. Now, if you want to deploy this, you can obviously go and deploy this by sharing a link. So if I want to copy this link, I can just paste it here. And this is going to be the link of my AI agent. However, I can also add it to my website in the header, which is really cool as well. Now, let's talk about pricing and who this is for and who is this not for. So this is not for someone who just want to chat with AI, right? This is for agencies that sell AI support bots for $99 to $299 a month. The best part about this is that you can white label this and you can sell this to other clients, because it makes your job easier. You don't have to go to ChatGPT and think about all the different things and all the different ways how to add documents to your custom GPT. You can simply go to CustomGPT and you can create your own custom GPT. Obviously, you can start your 7-day free trial and see how that works out for you. But again, this is for agencies that want to train this on client websites, embed it on their site. This is also for course creators that want to turn a course into an AI assistant. So if you have a course on YouTube and something like that, you can turn that into an AI assistant. You can also charge premium access, which, as you can see, for $99 a month, you're getting 10 agents and 1,000 queries per month, which is pretty cool. Also, this is for SaaS founders that want to replace documentation support and reduce support tickets, because this, at the end of the day, becomes a product, not only a simple custom GPT platform that anyone can use. Now let's talk about some of the pros and some of the cons. Now, pros, it's easy to set up, no coding, private data control, and it's also embeddable, which is really cool. Now, some of the downsides is that you still need good documents. I guess this is not really a downside, but if you're working with clients that don't have a lot of documents, again, that will be a downside for you. But again, garbage data equals garbage answers. So this is not a replacement for full AI automation workflows. This is a knowledge-based AI. And when I say knowledge-based AI, I mean knowledge-based AI on steroids. So not a fully AI agent system. So that's an important distinction. Now, obviously, is this better than ChatGPT? I would say it's not better. It's more controlled. ChatGPT is general intelligence, while CustomGPT right here, as you can see, is a trained business assistant. So more so it's focused on business. So different tools, different purpose, but if you really want control and reliability, this tool really wins. So kind of my final verdict on this tool is, when I take a look at this tool, it's very simple. I like when the tool is simple. I like when I can, sell this as an AI system to other clients. I think it's a really easy way to sell this and package this and white label this as your own platform. You can create white label support bots. So would I use this just for fun? Probably not. This is a business tool. I would use this for business. So yeah, if you want to test this yourself, again, I would definitely rate this 9 out of 10. But if you want to test this yourself, I left the link in the description. It's my affiliate link. So if you're building AI systems, agencies, or digital products, tools like this can really become assets that you can resell, but only if you actually build offers around them. So don't collect tools, build solutions. Again, the AI Gold Rush isn't just about using tools, it's about owning systems. So again, the pricing is quite good on this one. Obviously, if you're a bigger agency, go for the premium one, because you will get 25 agents and you can deploy those 25 agents for your 25 clients. But that's essentially it, right? If you want to use this, the link is down below. I would love to see some of your feedback on this tool as well, and we'll see you in the next video.